Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video and today I'll be showing you how to log into your JTV credit card account. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your JTV account, simply open up your preferred browser on your computer. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar, click over there and type in jtv.com like this and hit enter, or just search for JTV login on the Google itself, and you can see the jtv.com on the first result of Google. Click over there and now you can see both of these websites are same. Let's suppose one of these. Now to log into your JTV credit card account, you can see the my account option available over here, and you can see the sign in to see your information available over here. Click over there, and after that you'll be required to enter your email address and password over here, and then click on sign in to log into your JTV credit card account. Or if you have not yet created an account on JTV, click on create an account and you'll be taken to the sign up procedure of JTV. And there guys, this is how you log into your JTV credit card account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.